Hi, I'm Jeff from ROKFORM, and we're happy to announce our brand new iPhone 14 case. We're going to do a quick little unboxing here for you and also show you all the improvements that we made to this case, and I hope and I think you'll be very pleased with the improved performance. So we'll get a little close up here and I can show you kind of what's in the box. So when you open the box, the basic features of the case, and there's also a QR code here. So if you have any questions on what a certain feature does or how to use it or what accessories work with this case, you can just scan that code and it'll take you to all the videos that we've made about this iPhone 14. And then inside is there's a thank you note from all of us here at ROKFORM. We're a small company and we worked really hard on this thing, and if you don't think we did, then this letter is to tell you that let us know and we'll give you your money back. So that's what's in there too. And also talks about our 2-year warranty and 60-day money back guarantee. So inside is our case. So we'll pop the case out. And what's new this year with this particular case and also the crystal case is we've enhanced this MagSafe ring substantially. And we also changed the center plug option. So now you have a non-magnetic plug, and also included in the box is a magnetic plug. So if you wanted to use the magnetic plug, you can certainly do that. It comes with the kit. Or if you want to use your wireless charging, then you would keep it in this configuration for wireless charging, and it kind of keeps the dust out and it just has a nice clean look. If you want to use one of our bike mounts or motorcycle mounts, you simply just pop this plug out and then you're ready to use all of our twist lock accessories. And all of your accessories that we've made will work with this case, so you don't have to worry. These changes don't affect your mounts. So this magnet's been improved, and so has the center magnet. So it actually enhanced the strength on both of them considerably. So you'll get around 4 to 5 times more magnetic hold on all MagSafe accessories and on any magnetic surface. So it's really, really good. So on the back you can see we still have our nice microfiber lining, and I'll kind of show you what our magnets look like here. So the bottom magnet, as opposed to being a round magnet, is 2 rectangle magnets, and this is a steel bar for the clocking mechanism inside the phone to attach to. So you actually have that feature. Even though the magnets here are so strong, you really don't need it, but it is there. And we also moved the magnets up slightly, so you're going to get much better performance on our magnetic mounts. So in portrait and landscape, some of the heavier phones, still landscape's not ideal for a mounting option, but portrait's really, really strong. And if you want your portrait and landscape, you would use the plug like this, or you could take that out and use our MagSafe compatible mounts like that, and then you can mount it any way you want. So that's one update there. And the center magnet has also been improved. We actually, on all the magnets now, have this special magnetic shield, which what it does is it directs the magnetic force towards what it's sticking to and doesn't waste any going towards the phone. So even though these magnets are stronger, there's actually less magnetic force radiating towards the phone. And none of these magnets will hurt your phone, won't affect your GPS, your Wi-Fi, anything. This is, we've been putting magnets in our cases since 2011. So the other thing we did on this rugged case, improved the corner protection. So even though it looks almost the same as our other one, there's actually 40% more corner protection than before. And these things are super tough. If you ever go to watch one of our drop videos or read our survival stories blog, you'll see that these things are super protective, but now even a little bit more. And I will demonstrate real quick what that extra strength is like with Apple Wallet. So this is probably one of the more popular accessories, and I've tried them, and they don't have the best grip on here. They are super nice and great to use, but I do hear some people complain that they just don't hold super tight. And we listened to that, so that's why we enhanced our magnetic hold here on our MagSafe. So I'll do a quick kind of demo of what that looks like with our digital magnet force tester. So I can put it in here, and what this little machine does is it'll measure the amount of pull force at its peak before the wallet detaches from the phone. Make sure it's at 0, and then we will pull this right up. Okay, so that registers at 5.1 newtons. So you can convert that to gram force or kilogram force or whatever you want, but as a good reference, 5.1 newtons. So then we'll take our new ROKFORM case that has the extra strength MagSafe, and we will measure the difference in magnetic hold. We'll zero that out. That measures 25.5 newtons, which is about 5 times stronger than using a standard Apple case, or really anybody's case that has MagSafe. Those are all about the same. So the difference is this guy. So this is the old MagSafe ring that was found in our existing cases. It's actually a little bit thicker than most and a little bit stronger than most, but it still wasn't strong enough to support itself on a magnetic surface or really give the hold that we wanted on MagSafe accessories, whether it be the wallet, the battery pack, or the charger. So our new one looks like this. So it's thicker, but the case did not get thicker. And that thickness and this new magnetic shield is what makes this so much stronger than before. As a matter of fact, this case is so strong, it'll support on a magnetic surface, or this MagSafe magnet will support on a magnetic surface without the lower magnet. It's really strong. So I can demonstrate real quick what the difference is between our old case, which is really strong. We never had a problem with those. We have played golf and stick it on the golf course, last 18 holes, no problem. But we just wanted a little more because we know these phones are going to start to get heavier, and that's just a problem that we wanted to solve. So I will take a tester phone here and put it into my iPhone 14 case. But first, here's the old iPhone 13 Pro. And this is really strong. You can stick it on the golf cart. No problem, doesn't go anywhere. Very, very, very sturdy. But we'll see the difference here between the two. Zero it out. Okay, so that measures at 21.6 newtons of force, pull force, to take it off of a steel plate. So we just measured with this plug here, our plug, the lower magnet, and the MagSafe. So if I duplicate that configuration, I will show you the strength. I think we said the last one was 21.6. See what we get here. 96.3. So as you can see, much, much stronger. So the question is, okay, well, what happens if I pull this magnet out? And I want to have it always ready to wireless charge and still use in my golf cart? We will show you. $85.8. So that's still more than 4 times stronger than what we had before. Another feature here, we have a slimmer feel because the back of this case is completely flat. So we used to have a little bit of protrusion for the grip, but what we did was we made the whole thing grip. And it gives it a nicer, slimmer feel and doesn't take away from the protection, and also adds to the grip on magnetic surfaces. One more feature that remains the same on the rugged case as it always has is we have this anti-slip or anti-scratch texture. So if we can get a quick close-up on the texture, we can show you that and the reason we do that, not only because it kind of has a nice stealthy look, but if you do happen to drop this thing or gets in your pocket and keys contact it, if it does scratch you, you will not see those scratches. So the case will always look new. So that's a really good feature, especially if you're a heavy user like a lot of our customers are. And still has nice easy press buttons. So we have the special cutouts in the buttons that makes them super easy to press. On both sides, we have your standard large charging port, and we also have a lanyard slot back here. So our lanyard here, it sounds weird sometimes for some people, but once you use the lanyard, it's really super handy. So you don't have to use our lanyard, you can use any lanyard, and it's right there for you if you choose to do that. Also, it is wireless compatible, so you can wireless charge with the plug, either the plug removed like this, or with the non-magnetic plug installed. So this wireless charger now is really, really strong on here. So one thing, because of that strength, don't pull from the cable. The shear strength is 1/5 of the pull strength. So all you have to do is just pop it off like that. Instead of using this cable to pull it off, which maybe you do, maybe you don't, but we recommend you just pop it off like that. So that's the wireless charging. And like I mentioned earlier, we do offer still our 2-year warranty and 60-day money-back guarantee. So if you don't think this is the best case you've ever had, then give us a call and we will take care of it. So that's our first intro on the new iPhone 14 rugged case, and we'll see you soon.